welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's look is a Harry Potter look. Can anyone guess what house it is? So if you want to see how I did the eyes in this look, please keep watching. I will post the eyes. I just did my face makeup off camera, and then I just used a little bit of body paint, face and body paint to just do the little snake, and I did actually use a little bit of it on my eyelashes as well, just to brighten up the look. So if you like this video, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change your notifications to all. Alright, let's jump in. Okay, so to start off with, I'm jumping into the MAC paint pot in Painterly, just using it as my eye primer as usual. So to start the look off, I am using the colour Sour in Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. So I didn't have the perfect green for this look, so Slytherin colours are emerald green and silver. So I did a mix of green colours to create the look that I wanted. So now I'm jumping into my Colourpop Muscle Beach shade. So now I'm jumping into my Folklore Perth palette. So I'm jumping into the colour Swan River. So jumping back into Jeffree Star Jawbreaker Sour, just to bring that green colour back up because it was starting to look a bit bluey. Okay, now I'm jumping back into my Colourpop palette, and I'm jumping into the colour Let's Do It. So I am just darkening or deepening the crease up just so it's a darker green. Now for the silver, I'm jumping back into my Colourpop palette, and this one is On a Whimsy. Now I'm just touching up the green again, just making sure that we still have the green shade there and that it blends in nicely to the silver shade. So now I'm just grabbing my green eyeliner and I'm just popping that on my top eyelid. So I just felt like as though the silver wasn't popping like I wanted it, so I just jumped into my L'Oreal Paris eye paint in Diamonds 403, and just popped a little bit of that on and just blended it out with my brush as well. Okay, so I'm just grabbing my silver eyeliner and using that on my lower lash line, and I did grab a little bit of the silver eye paint as well just to brighten it up a little bit more because the pencil just wasn't giving me that pop. So I'm just grabbing a little bit of a mix of the green from the Jeffree Star palette and the silver from my Colourpop, and just using that as my inner corner highlight. So I just used a bit of that silver eye paint on my top lashes, and then I used a clear gel mixed in with my green shadow from my Jeffree Star palette on the bottom lashes. For my lips, I just used my clear gloss, and then over top I just packed on the silver powder from the Colourpop palette, and then the green shadow from my Jeffree Star palette, just to blend it in nicely, match my look. And for my highlighter, I just used, again, a little mix of the green and the silver, and I just placed it in all the places you would normally put a highlighter. So this is the finished look. So I hope you liked this video, and this one's for all you Slytherin fans. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the like button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change the notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. If you want me to keep doing the rest of the houses, make sure you hit the like button as well. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.